I'd like to share with you a brief introduction to a program that I'm developing in Python for stock market analysis. If you notice, this is 24-hour data with metrics and Elliott waves in Eastern Standard Time. We have support, we have resistance, and over here we have dead pool volume, total volume, the average high, and the average low. Uh, Now, if you notice, we're looking at Apple, but if we come up here, we can look at Microsoft. And you'll notice the same thing. We have our Elliott wave, we have our support, we have our resistance, and we have various metrics. Um, we can search by pretty much any ticker. Go to Tesla. We notice the same thing. Now, this program is under development. I'm authoring it in Python, and if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below, and maybe we can have a conversation. Thank you for your time.